Guys, here is the box they come in. At the top we do have some Nike SB labeling in a clear text with an orange swoosh in the middle, but besides that the box is pretty basic. But let's go ahead and check out the size sticker. Here you'll see the official name as the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the white/white colorway, and we are a size 10.5 in men's or a 12 in women. But let's go ahead and open these right up, and bam, here they are. The Nike SB Dunk Low in the triple white colorway. Super nice and clean. Also included in the box is a Nike SB sticker. But if we go ahead and do a 360 of the entire shoe, there really isn't much to say about it. It is all one color for the most part, which is white, obviously. We do have a little bit of orange here on the tongue, specifically the tongue tag. We have that orange swoosh. And then we also have a few more hints of orange on the shoelace tips, which do look very nice. They do also say Nike SB on them. And on the insole, we do have an orange square that says Nike SB in it as well. But besides that, the rest of the sneaker is completely white. I'm personally super hyped to go ahead and put these on. They're going to be very comfortable since they are an SB. I know a lot of people like customizing shoes and painting them themselves. This will definitely be a great sneaker for that as well. The materials on this shoe are fantastic in my opinion. The leather is very soft. As you can see, all the creases as I press down on it, and that's basically throughout the entire shoe. And obviously SBs are known for this. It's not like the regular Dunks where the leather feels plasticky. But other than that, I think these are some great looking sneakers. You can wear them with literally anything. We're gonna go ahead and end the video with the on the feet right now.